Everyone says you can earn from YouTube, but do you know how? Here's a fun fact. Only about 30% of creators rely just on ads. The rest? They're using hidden tricks that turn YouTube into a money-making machine. In this video, I'll show you 7 ways to earn from YouTube, some you probably haven't heard before. Let's start simple. YouTube pays you through AdSense. Requirement: 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you qualify, ads run on your videos as income. But here's the catch. Ads won't make you rich unless your niche is strong. For example, a comedy channel may earn rupees 20 CPM, cost per 1,000 views. A finance channel, rupees 150-200 CPM. So your niche is equal to your income power. Now, here's where the real money starts. 1. Affiliate marketing. Add product links in your descriptions. Example, a tech YouTuber reviewing laptops can earn, say, rupees 2,000 per sale through affiliate links. 2. Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies pay you to talk about their products. Tip: even if you have only 5K subscribers, you can approach local businesses or startups in your niche. 3. YouTube Shorts. Revenue. Shorts are booming. One viral short with 2 million views can bring in ad money and grow your long-form audience. 4. Channel memberships. Super Chats. If your content builds a community, gaming, finance, quanda, tutorials, fans will pay monthly for exclusives. 5. Sell your own product. Course. This is where creators 10x their income. Example, a language channel sells an English crash course. A fitness channel sells a workout plan. Passive income at its best. Here are tips most YouTubers don't tell you. Tip 1. Repurpose content. Your YouTube videos can be cut into shorts, posted on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. More reach is equal to more revenue sources. Tip 2. Build an email list from day 1. Don't rely only on YouTube. Use your description to offer a free guide and collect emails. Later, you can sell your own course product directly. Tip 3. Choose evergreen topics. A trending meme gets views for a week. A video titled, "How to Save Money in 2025 Earns for Years." Tip 4. Don't wait for monetization. Start with affiliate links or digital products even if you have 500 subscribers. Monetization should not be your starting line, it's just fuel for the fire. So, YouTube is not just about ads, it's a full business platform. If you combine ads, affiliates, sponsorships, and your own products, you can create multiple income streams from just one channel. Subscribe if you want more smart money tips for creators, because the next video will show you exactly how to pick the right niche that earns the most on YouTube.